You ever feel like dating is just one big, exhausting mind game? Like, why does it seem like the second you stop caring, that's when a guy suddenly wants you? It's frustrating, right? Well, here's the truth. You don't need to play games to make a man chase you. In fact, the most irresistible women, they don't chase at all. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a man pursue you without manipulation, without pretending, and without losing yourself in the process. Because the real secret? It's not about making him want you, it's about becoming the kind of woman that men can't help but chase. All right, let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the whole play hard to get thing. We've all heard it, right? Ignore his texts, make him jealous, act like you don't care. But let's be honest, does that actually work? Sure, maybe for a little while, but if you have to fake disinterest just to get a guy to notice you, what happens when you start showing real feelings? Exactly. He pulls away. And why? Because it wasn't you he was drawn to, it was the chase. And once the chase is over, so is his interest. So what's the real way to make a man genuinely want you? It's all about energy. Men don't just chase beauty, they chase feelings. The feeling of being excited around you, the feeling of admiring you, the feeling of winning you over. And none of that comes from acting a certain way, it comes from being a certain way. Think about the most attractive women you know. They're not chasing men, they're choosing them. They have this effortless confidence that makes people want to be around them. And here's the best part. You don't have to be the most gorgeous woman in the room to have that effect. It's not about looks, it's about presence. It's the way you carry yourself, the way you speak, the way you hold your own. When a man feels that energy, he wants to be around it, he wants to win you over, and suddenly he's the one thinking, how do I get her to like me? Now let's talk about a little psychology trick that makes a man feel deeply connected to you. It's emotional investment. See, men value what they work for. The more effort they put into something, the more attached they become. But most women, they do everything for a guy, thinking if they just love him enough, he'll appreciate them more. Nope, that's not how attraction works. When you do too much for a man, you actually take away his chance to invest in you, and when he's not investing, he's not attached. So here's what you do. Let him put in effort. Let him be the one to initiate plans. Let him show you he cares. Let him invest in you, because when a man works for you, he values you. And when he values you, he chases you. But before moving ahead, if you want to make any man crave for you, then you must check the description after the video. Now, let's talk about something that kills attraction fast. Neediness. Look, we all want to feel wanted, but there's a difference between being interested and seeming desperate. The difference, feminine energy. A woman in her feminine energy is receptive. She's open, she's confident, and she's not forcing anything. She doesn't need to convince anyone to be with her. She just is, and that is magnetic. Because here's the thing, when you stop worrying about what a guy is thinking, when you stop overanalyzing every little text, when you just live your life and let things flow, that's when men feel compelled to chase you. Because now he has something to prove. All right, real quick. If you want to know the exact psychological triggers that make a man obsessed with you in a healthy, lasting way, check the description. It's something that's helped so many women shift the way men treat them. And trust me, it's a game changer. Okay, let's talk about the biggest mistakes that push men away. 1, over-texting. If he's not matching your energy, pull back. Let him wonder about you. 2, trying too hard to impress. The second you start seeking his approval, he feels it. Instead, just be yourself. And 3, not having your own life. The most attractive women, they have passions, they have goals, and they have a life outside of a relationship. Because at the end of the day, the moment you stop chasing is the moment he starts investing. And that's the real secret. So tell me, what's the biggest mistake you've seen women make in dating? Drop it in the comments. Let's talk about it. And hey, if you're ready to make any man crave you on a deep emotional level, check the description. It's all there. See you in the next one.